Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV. Get ready to redefine your expectations for luxury compact SUVs because the all-new 2026 Audi Q3 is here and it's looking sharper, performing better, and packed with more tech than ever before. If you love staying ahead of the curve with the latest car releases, make sure to subscribe to Car Release TV. Like this video if you're excited about the new Q3 and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth looks at the cars you care about. The 2026 Audi Q3 arrives with a fresh, bold design and advanced technology, aiming to redefine what a luxury compact sport utility vehicle can offer. This updated model boasts a sharper exterior and a more refined cabin, crafted to appeal to drivers who crave premium style, modern features, and everyday practicality in a small SUV. One of the most significant changes for 2026 is the Q3's updated engine lineup. Audi is expected to offer two versions of their 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The base engine could deliver around 201 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque, similar to what you'd find in the Audi A3 sedan. Higher trims, like the S-Line, are likely to match or even surpass the previous model's 228 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. And of course, Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system will be standard across the entire lineup. With this setup, the new Q3 is projected to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 8 seconds. Despite the power boost, we're anticipating improved fuel efficiency thanks to more advanced engine tuning. The new Q3 could deliver fuel economy that matches or even exceeds the previous model, with estimates approaching an impressive 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This positions it perfectly alongside other compact luxury SUVs like the Volvo XC40. Step inside the cabin and the 2026 Q3 makes a significant leap forward. It features a standard 10.3-inch digital driver display and replaces the older 8.8-inch infotainment screen with a much larger 12.9-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports will all come standard. Audi's interior design philosophy focuses on clean lines, seamless digital interfaces, and enhanced space, creating a truly premium and intuitive driving environment. What are your thoughts on the new 2026 Audi Q3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.